Welcome to my Canva tutorial on duplicating a project. If you're on the Canva homepage, you can duplicate a project from your recent designs or projects folder. Simply click the three dots on the project and choose Make a Copy. Rename it quickly, and you'll have another copy of the same project. If you're currently on the project itself or in the design page, go to the File drop-down menu and select Make a Copy. This action creates a copy of your project, opening it in a new tab. You can rename it by clicking on the project name. You can also duplicate individual pages within a project, allowing you to create multiple pages within the same document for different versions of your design. Whether you want a whole new project, duplicate pages, or keep everything in one document, Canva offers easy ways to duplicate your work. That's how you can duplicate projects in Canva. Thank you for watching.